Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Remove the control's back panel. Disconnect the wire harness from the lid or door switch. Set your multimeter on the lower scale to read ohms and check the meter to make sure that it works. When the two test probes are touching each other, the reading should be close to 0 ohms. And when the test probes are not touching each other, the reading should be infinity. Make sure your multimeter is working properly before you use it. Insert one of the test probes into the terminal of the black wire marked LS on the lid switch wire harness. And with the other test probe, touch the terminal of the black wire marked L1 on the core connecting block. Set the timer on the beginning of the cycle. When you pull the timer knob out, the reading should be close to 0 ohms. And when you push the timer knob in, the reading should be infinity. If when you pull the timer knob out, the reading is infinity, the timer is bad and you will need to replace it. Let me show you how to replace the timer. Use a small screwdriver like this to remove the timer cap. Remove this clip. Push the timer in and take the clip out. Then remove the knob. Remove the spring and use a small screwdriver to remove the dial. Remove the two timer holding screws. Pull the timer out. Remove the green ground wire and the wire harness. And remove the bad timer. Connect the wire harness to the new timer. Make sure you push it all the way in. Connect the ground green wire. Put the timer in place. Align it. And screw in the two holding screws. If you're using a cordless drill or screwdriver, be careful you don't strip the holes on the timer for the screws, okay? Install the dial, the spring, the knob, the clip, and the cap. And try it out to see how it turns. Connect the wire harness to the lid switch. Make sure that you push it all the way in to get a good connection. Install the control's back panel. Connect the washer to the wall outlet and see how it works now. That was a way to replace the timer. For the best place to buy parts online, I recommend Repair Clinic. When you buy from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days to return any unwanted part for a refund or for a replacement. Check the links on my website.